Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you in the unit of image compression. That is the fourth unit of DIP. We are going to discuss about the image compression techniques. Now, what is the image compression? Basically, compression means to reduce the size because we know we use the images today much more as the photographs videos we want to send at the different place, then if it occupy the lot of space, then we want to reduce it. So that is called the image compression. Image is very important task in the image processing. Image compression बहुत important है. And data compression is the technique of encoding data so that it takes less storage space or less transmission time. Data compression is a mathematical process. Basically, it can be represented as suppose original data and compressed data is given by N1 and N2. And if we see, if there are the N1 is equal to N2, it shows there is a no compression. If N2 is very less than N1, then it means there is significant compression. And if n1 is less than n2, then it means data explosion. अगर हमारे पास n1 इनिशियली नंबर ऑफ बिट हैं वो 1 0 1 0 1 इस तरह के 5 बिट हैं, कंप्रेशन के बाद भी हमारे पास 5 ही बिट हमको मिलती हैं, देन इसका मतलब हमारा डाटा का कंप्रेशन नहीं हुआ. अगर इसके बाद हमको 4 मिल रही हैं बिट तो डाटा हमारा कंप्रेस्ड हो गया, और अगर 6 मिल रही है तो मतलब डाटा हमारा 6 या से ज्यादा है, तो धीरे धीरे डाटा एक्सप्लोजन हो रहा है. तो दैट इज द हाउ द कंप्रेशन मीनिंग और हाउ द कंप्रेशन टेक प्लेस. नाउ द कम टू द इन डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन. we know that data is a raw fact which are encountered in image processing. Information is an interpretation of the data in a meaningful way. Data is the means by which information is conveyed. Information is conveyed through the data. There can be several type of data. That is multimedia data. Some type of data are as follows: text data. That is this data present in flat files may read and understood by the human being. Binary data that machine can understand in the form of the 0 1, there is a binary data is present. Image data, pixels of the images. Graphics data is in vector form available graphics data. Sound data, this is the audio information. Video data, this represent the video information. इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि देर आर सेवरल टाइप ऑफ डाटा इज प्रेजेंट. And what is the need of data compression? Why we need this data compression? Because due to the three reasons main important: storage means to reduce the space, transmission reduce transmission time, faster computation faster execution of the program. So there can be several reasons. Application of data compression techniques are available in the personal communication like voice, mail and telephony, computer network, multimedia applications, image and signal processing, video conferencing and digital library. There are the several type of techniques which are available for the data compression. Now, compression scheme. We can define the compression scheme: visual information and original information. Compression schemes are the like, first of all, there is a sampling and quantizer and compression algorithm, then transmission, then decomposition and original information. That is like the similar to the original information. Compression and decompression are also known as coder and decoder. Main component of the image processing model are the encoder and decoder. These are the main important part. Image compression model can be defined as source encoder, channel encoder, channel, channel decoder, and source decoder. Basically, source encoder convert the reduce redundancy. It convert the message in the form of the code. Channel encoder increases the noise immunity को increase करने के काम है. If there is a noise, then we use the channel decoder. It is not the compulsory. Then channel is the media through which we are transmitting the data. Channel decoder inverse of the channel encoder, that is the inverse of the channel decoder. Then channel decoder is the inverse of the channel encoder. We can say it is the channel encoder का inverse होता है. इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि हमारे पास किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए we have the such type of arrangement, and source decoder inverse of the source encoder. तो इस तरह से ये हमारा इमेज कंप्रेशन मॉडल है. Now, if length is noise free, then channel encoder decoder can be omitted. These are the note the compulsory blocks. Now, stages of encoding. So basically, this is the encoder part, और encoder can be divided in the several stages. जो stages में divide encoder को किया जा सकता है. यहाँ पर हमारा ये basically we are considering the source and channel encoder. तो एनकोडर को वी कैन से stages of encoder is the mapper, quantizer, and symbol encoder. These are the stages of the encoder. ये हमारी एनकोडर की स्टेजेस हो सकती हैं. Where mapper reduce the interpixel redundancy, reversible operation means अगर हमारे पास नियर बाई पिक्सल्स हैं, उनके कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सेम हैं, तो वी कैन रिड्यूस द सम पिक्सल्स. That is done by mapper. Quantizer reduce psycho-visual redundancy, not reversible operation, that is related with the color or intensity. And symbol encoder create a fixed or variable length code. Most of the cases the variable length code are used. This is a reversible operation. Reversible means if we are generating the some code from x to y, then y to x is also possible. That is means by the reversible operation. So in this way we see that the in the mapper is a reversible operation, but quantizer is a not a reversible operation. It means that the psycho-visual जो हमारा psycho-visual redundancy है, that is not reversible operation. Now channel, after that channel के through information come to the source decoder and inverse mapper. Source decoder inverse mapping are the inverse operation of the encoder. Now define image compression and data redundancy in a digital image. So we know data compression refer to the process of reducing the amount of data, and redundancies in a digital image. Data redundancy is a central issue in digital image processing. Redundancy means to reduce the size of bit of the required image. If n1 n2 denote the number of information carrying unit in two data sets that represent the same information, the relative data redundancy RD is given by 1 minus 1 upon CR. इससे हम इसको डिफाइन करते हैं redundancy को, where CR is the compression ratio. So CR we can say that is the N1 and N2, that is related with the compression ratio. For the case n2 बराबर n1, then it will be 1 and redundancy will be 0, indicating that the first representation of the information contains no redundant data. इसमें हमारे पास कोई redundant data नहीं है. When n2 is less than n1, जब हमारा n2 है वो n1 से कम होगा, then CR tends to infinity, तब हमारा जो CR है वो इन्फिनिटी के लगभग होगा, and RD tends to 1. It means significant compression and highly redundant data. If we are getting the CR is equal to 1, then in percentage we can say 100% redundant data. If we are say CR is equal to, if we are getting the value of RD is equal to 1, then 100% redundant. If RD we are getting the 0.7, इसका मतलब होता है 70% redundant data हमारा है. When n2 is less than n1, CR tends to 0 and RD tends to infinity. इस तरह से हम देख सकते हैं कि if the practical compression ratio such as 10 or 10:1 means that the first data set has 10 information units or bit for every 1 unit in the second or compressed data set. Types of redundancies, coding, interpixel, psychovisual redundancy 3 तरह की हो सकती हैं. Some pixel values more common than others. कुछ को हम रिमूव कर देते हैं, कुछ कोड्स पिक्सल्स को. इंटरपिक्सल नेबरिंग पिक्सल्स हैव सिमिलर वैल्यू. Psychovisual, some color differences are imperceptible. Trade-off quality against compression. Lossless compression means इंफॉर्मेशन प्रिजर्व करना है हमें कंप्रेशन के बाद भी. ओरिजिनल कैन बी रिकवर्ड एग्जैक्टली और हाई क्वालिटी बिगर साइज होगा. अगर हमारा कंप्रेशन किया हमने तो हमारे पास क्वालिटी तो हाई मिल रही है और बिट भी सपोज हमारे पास इनिशियली 10 थी, कंप्रेशन के हमें 8 बिट मिल रही है, लेकिन हमारी क्वालिटी इज ए गुड, दैट इज मेंटेन. बट इफ वी हैव डन लॉसी कंप्रेशन में what will happen, only an approximation of the original can be recovered. approximation of the original, जो ओरिजिनल हमारी बिट है उसका अप्रोक्सीमेशन ही हमको मिलता है. क्वालिटी लोअर है और स्मॉलर साइज है. तो इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि लॉसी कंप्रेशन में हम केवल हमको क्या मिलता है, वी आर गेटिंग लोअर क्वालिटी. हमने बिट साइज को तो रिड्यूस कर लिया, सपोज हमने 10 बिट को 5 में कर लिया कंप्रेशन के थ्रू, बट हमारी यहाँ पर क्वालिटी डिग्रेड हो गई. तो वी कैन से इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं कि साइज और एरर. तो यहाँ पर हमारा अगर साइज ज़्यादा है तो क्वालिटी हमारी, दैट इज द एरर इज 0. अगर हमारा साइज है दैट इज ए लार्ज, then error is 0, but size is small, then more error. The coding redundancy can be minimized by using a variable length coding method where shortest code are assigned to most probable gray level. Most popular variable length coding method is the Huffman coding. Huffman coding हमारा most popular variable length coding method है. इस तरह से we can see that redundancy is the important. Thank you.